रंगनाथन।
सच्चाई है वो।
अभी से मीम्स आने शुरू हो गए। राहुल गांधी पेट्रोल पंप अटेंडेंट बने हैं, कह रहे हैं जीरो चेक कर लो सर। लेकिन मैं ये बताना चाहूंगा, जैसे अश्विनी, अब देखिए मैं इनसे
That's rather unfair. It don't be so harsh to Rahul Gandhi.
अच्छा ठीक है ना।
राहुल गांधी कैन बी हार्श टू राहुल गांधी।
नहीं, बट अश्विनी जी देखिए कह रहे थे गुंडों की सरकार और कह रहे थे उनको जेल में होना चाहिए। मैं इनसे अभी वॉटर बाउटरी इंड्यूस करने वाला हूं, लेकिन पहले इनको डेटा देता हूं। 40 आउट ऑफ 60 कांग्रेस कैंडिडेट्स हैव सीरियस क्रिमिनल चार्जेस अभी बिहार में। तो आप ये वॉटर बाउटरी आ गया, बोलिए ये आ गया, ये वॉटर बाउटरी आया, ये आया वॉटर बाउटरी।
बीजेपी 65% ऑफ कैंडिडेट्स हैव अ क्रिमिनल।
Are you emulating आप तो संविधान बचाओ आंदोलन के मेंबर है ना।
65% ऑफ आरजेडी कैंडिडेट्स हैव सीरियस क्रिमिनल चार्जेस। 65%।
नाविका जी
क्या चल रहा है ये? अब वॉटर बाउटरी आ गई।
This is
water boundary. ये देखो,
just a minute. Anand Ranganathan is a selective scientist with a very serious case of dementia. 65% of BJP candidates.
Sanjay, don't get
No, listen. Can you laugh here?
I cannot.
65% of BJP candidates have a criminal antecedent. Why do you ignoring that?
वॉटर बाउटरी क्यों कर रहे हो
भाई?
What do you mean water boundary? I'm putting facts on the table.
You know, I wish everyone read Anand Ranganathan's memory is my envy. So, dementia ko dustbin mein dalo. But Sabha Naqvi, the initial trends that we are looking at. 61 leads for the NDA. These are leads, early leads. Yeah. I always emphasize that point. Nobody is saying that this is the way the election is going to go. Okay. Early leads 61, 35 for the Mahagathbandhan, just turned 36. I want to ask you, are you seeing something just yet? Are you?
I think we'll just have to wait for another hour, Navika.
And the fact that the clusters, the Muslim-dominated clusters in the Simanchal area, BJP also seems to.
So, let me clarify one thing for Muslim dominant. Muslim dominant, what we are speaking is, it could be anywhere in Bihar, wherever there is more than 20% of Muslim population, we call it as a Muslim cluster. And in those Muslim clusters,
Since you mentioned it, can I say something since you had asked me? I have an issue with everywhere there are about 20% in most places. So when you say Muslim cluster,
there are 54 seats.
Can I finish?
No, 1 minute. There are
allow me to
seats.
finish. I won't get much of a chance. When you say Muslim cluster, there are other issues also. You make it sound as if Muslim is the main issue for the voting, which, by the way, except for Simachal, it is not an issue. Let me just put that very.
1 minute.